All right, so we'll start from this caution tape and just go in a line.
All right. Have everybody pulled like 30 yards or something?
Yeah, whatever. Yeah.
I was thinking feet and I said yards. It's like.
So we're just gonna go in a line along this caution tape. Again, so as soon as he says 10, take off running. After those 10 seconds, he'll say game start, then you can start shooting people.
So there is a 10-second break?
Huh?
Where's like the range of the guns? Or no?
Well, they're all over here, so.
Come here.
So, oh. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun. I'm gonna get such good camera footage, gets eliminated right away.
You know, Marshall, I'm kind of an idiot.
What's that?
I totally forgot GoPros are waterproof, and that's why I didn't bring it up.
Yeah. Yeah. Here's your sign. Yeah, so just pick a spot at any point along this tape here.
And I don't have one of these. I
have
the
not.
one to do my helmet.
I've got an extra
Oh, you do?
head one if you just want it. So.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah.
You got the 10? Damn, I got the 8.
All right.
Yeah, it's.
Too many people over here.
I'm going down here.
Is it free for all?
Yeah. Last man standing. Single shot elimination. Oh yeah, so you can betray your partner. I forgot about that. We cannot use those, so. Huh?
I call being Katniss. Who's
You-
gonna be my pita?
You are a beautiful woman, Hunter. You're welcome.
Who's my pita?
Hey, you're not using that pistol that's on your holster,
No,
right?
no.
Okay.
No, I totally forgot it was on my holster.
You're like, oh look, I spawned with a weapon.
And the only Glock that is out there has a tip, so if you see me without a tip, then I'm cheating.
Sounds good. Players set. Zach, it's all on you, buddy.
Go, go, go! Start shooting at it! Let's team up. Come on!
All right, G, I got you.
That would have been a cock move anyway.
I know, it's eliminated right away.
I said a grace period.
Hey, let's just go up here and wipe everybody out. Oh, Tanner's up there. Tanner's up there.
I'm gonna try to go find it.
Oh, somebody found the grenade. Hunter, watch it. Watch it. Back up. Back up.
Thank you, Marshall. Dude, I'm fine. How's this? When I get my gun, we can part our ways. Just help me get a gun.
Sounds good. Oh, shit.
Oh my God!
Did you get capped?
No.
Hey, let's head for the tank. They maybe put one on there.
All right.
Go. Go, go. They didn't put one in here?
No.
Fuck. Do we want to check the trailhead here?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Nothing? Hey, come on. If I go out, you can grab my gun.
It's a spring! You have to cock the charging handle. Nothing in it. Come here.
Yeah, come over here, dude. I thought you were shooting at us, man.
He was. Oh, you gotta.
Oh. You joining us, or?
Yeah, fuck it. Well, help me get a gun. Fuck.
You don't have one?
No. Oh.
Kind of lucky you found this one. All right, let's move.
All right.
No, there's a whole bunch of dead people.
Trevor, go left. I'll watch right.
As soon as I get a gun.
Oh, watch left. Watch left. Hit him. Hit him. You got longer range than I do, G. If you're out, get your hands up. Watch that tree. Watch the tree on the left.
This is horse shit.
How many people are down?
Can I take it?
Oh, Tanner's on the machine gun bunker. Huh?
Can I take a gun from someone?
Yeah, man, we just got to get to him, G.
Are you guys dead?
Go, 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 go. Four tributes remaining.
You can take this one, I mean.
I don't have it.
You have a better one. That's mine. Gimme.
You have a better one, that's mine.
If you got a dead gun, I'll take it.
No, I'm good.
Let's part ways.
See you guys. Nope.
Right in the head.
Trevor behind you! Trevor behind you!
I'm just the corpse with all the guns.
We just keep going up the mystery box to the mystery box.
That hit him? I hit!
Is that it?
That's it. That's everybody.
That's everybody?
Unload on him! Hunter grabbed the M9 when he died.
Fuck.
No, I grabbed it as I died.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. I was like, where's the M9?
Where's